Hi Nicholas, this is Trig. I'm SSHing into the Raspberry Pi from my Mac computer, and right now we're on the desktop and we've got our project called Pi v1, so I can just move into that directory. There we go. And in here we've got our source and our resource directories. If I go look at resource, you can see that in there I've got two video files. One of them is called Final MP4, and that's the video that that we're going to be using to process, and we're going to see that right here. So if I go back up and I go into the source directory, you can see that we have an executable there. I'm going to execute Pi v1, and I'm going to pass it the parameter of the source file that we just saw, Final MP4, and when I hit enter, it's going to start processing the video. As you can see, it got to frame 1, and after it processed frame 1, it said that we need to go left, and then it says we don't need to go right, and we need to go. That's why the go bit is set to 1. And right now it's processing the other frames, but we've set it to only print out when the instructions actually change. You can see at frame number 69, it says we still need to go left, but now it says we need to stop. And we can take a look at the video after this, and we'll discuss why we think that it said to stop. And then on frame 142 it says we need to go left and go again, and go left, left, and left. Should be getting close to the end now. And there you go, 209 frames processed in 47,466 milliseconds, so I guess 47 seconds. And it took that long to process this very short video, but in a real-time system it would only be processing the most recent frame from the video stream, whereas when we load this video we have to process every single frame. Alright, thank you very much. We have the video that we just saw processed, and the first thing we'll notice is that we have a black backdrop behind the box. This is so that the camera can easily distinguish between what is box and what is wall, since they have very similar colors. The algorithm that we processed is using the box as a waypoint and should be giving us directions towards the box. You remember from the video we just saw that it initially indicated that we needed to make a left-hand turn. You can see the box is slightly to the right of the screen, so we think that this left-hand turn indication must have come from my foot that happened to sneak into the picture while we were walking the car down the track. Now, if we play the video, we'll notice that the box actually drifts off to the left-hand side of the screen, and that would explain why the algorithm indicated that we needed a left-hand turn all the way to the box. Alright, thank you very much.